Cushing's syndrome is one of the most commonly diagnosed canine endocrine disorders. Clinical symptoms include combinations of any or all of the following signs, including potbelly, polydipsia, polyuria, hair loss, recurrent skin disease, thin skin, along with excessive panting, lethargy, and polyphagia. Dogs that are afflicted with Cushing's produce excessive amounts of cortisol, a hormone that normally helps the dog respond to stress. Overproduction of cortisol can have harmful effects on a dog's internal organs and can diminish health and vitality. Cushing's syndrome is usually caused by a tumor located on either the pituitary gland or the adrenal glands. Veterinary hospitals can diagnose Cushing's syndrome by performing blood tests to confirm the diagnosis. These typically include a CBC, blood chemistry, and one or more additional tests such as the ACTH stimulation test or the low-dose dexamethasone suppression test. Another option would be a urine test to determine the cortisol-creatinine ratio. Cushing's syndrome can be treated through the surgical removal of the affected gland. However, a far less invasive option would be to treat the condition using Vetoryl capsules. Vetoryl is the only FDA-approved treatment available for treating pituitary-dependent and adrenal-dependent hyperadrenal corticism. Vetoryl contains the active ingredient trilostane, which blocks the excessive production of cortisol. After treating with Vetoryl, dog owners will see changes in the clinical symptoms that their pet had been exhibiting. Specific examples are dog owners should notice a decrease in their pet's consumption of water and frequency of urination. Their dog's appetite should have returned back to more of a normal nature, and if the dog had been panting excessively, that should also have decreased. Treated dogs should also become more active, and 93% of dogs demonstrate an improvement in their overall clinical assessment within 7 weeks after initiating therapy. Vetoryl is available in 4 different strengths, and that includes the new 120 mg strength. All sizes are available for immediate shipment should you decide to order today. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Vetoryl capsules from Dechra Animal Health.